I get a lot of questions about flatbed trailers and really what are they? I mean, if you're new to the business, you've seen them on the road, of course, but a lot of people are asking, what are the specifications or what exactly is a flatbed trailer? So, a flatbed trailer is the most commonly used trailer in the freight transportation industry. They're incredibly versatile. They're the ones that you see probably most often, and in like when you look at the open deck trailers, the flatbed, no sides trailer. That's the most common one that you see. Any interstate or highway that you may take. They're very so the versatility of them. They take construction material. I mean, they take steel coils. The automotive industry uses them a lot for their steel coil rounds as well. They can carry a maximum of 48,000 pounds, and I mean, really, you have like hot shot flatbeds, and then you have the bigger ones, the standard size ones. I've seen them as short as 20 feet for commercial use. There are shorter ones, but I mean specifically for high volume commercial use. There are ones that are 24 feet, 40 feet, 45 feet, 48 feet, and 53 feet. With the most common one used, that 48-foot flatbed trailer. In terms of their height, from the ground, they're about 60 inches, which is the dock high standard for these ones. And since the deck is flat and it's open, the cargo also can require tarping. Tarping jobs are needed, just to help with any kind of weather impacts, or like they say, protect from the elements, right? So and the tarps, the standard ones, they range from 4 feet to 8 feet for standard lengths. Now, in terms of the 48-foot flatbed, again, you have different freight, the weight limits on them. So you'll have the 40 to 48,000 pounds is the standard weight limits. In terms of the lengths, like I said, this in this weight limit, you're looking at a 48-foot to 53-foot flatbed. And the legal width for this for the flatbed trailer is 8 feet and 6 inches, and the legal height of load for this one would be 9 feet. So that would be your flatbed trailer, and this is the one that's most commonly seen on the interstate or highway or road, whatever you want to say. Anyways, if you found this helpful in any way, give it a thumbs up. If you thought this was ridiculous, give it a thumbs down, and we'll go from there. Cheers with